Ooh, wow, look at that. I need a big old hammer to knock that out of there. It's a hot one at the compound. Cooler in the shade. I should take that garbage, the cardboard garbage, get that out of here. Well, I didn't see that door. Somebody dropped me off a little dreamer right here. Aluminum door and some of them things. And scrap life dreams. Yeah, $700 to get that going. You got a lot of stuff. I don't got any way of getting it out of here. I mean, a minivan. That's like, I don't know what that's like. That's like quenching the thirst of an army with a Dixie cup. How about that? Actually move the van up a bit. That's where I'm lazy or hardworking. Which is it? I'm actually out of breath. And I'm hitting it like a girl. There you go. The compressor is out. Take it easy. I don't, I really don't go beyond 50% of my capacity. Well, looks like the battery needed some more charge time. Lazy or hardworking? See, it's scrap. I can't get that out of there. It's wedgie doing. And I'm not going to try too hard either. If it won't come out, it won't come out. Looking for a clipper. I got about 20,000 of them. Clipper, a knife. I don't care. Something. A saw blade. There you go. This shall suffice. Otherwise I have to walk and look. And I'm not willing to do that. Like a cartoon character, I want to be able to just reach behind my back and produce whatever it might be I need. I was always fascinated by how, like, Bugs Bunny could reach behind his back and pull out whatever he needed. I wonder if that was a metaphor of pulling it out of your ass, you know? Well, that boy could produce. He's got my vote. That's my claim. Yeah, that one's riveted in there. There's some juice left in this. Oh, wait a minute. I had somebody who watches my channel complain about the sound, so I can understand. Sorry about that. How about the sound of the sawzall being like nails on a chalkboard, so I'll edit this out.